7th, 7:30. So his plan is to win they go green NASCAR. He's going to go green on the Hogan and see if he can get the 160 laps in for the 7th. It's not a 500. Yeah, it must be a 400. All right, so. Hey Braxton, I need you over here for a second.
Yeah, so because I was
this reason.
Friday was before. Yeah, I was gonna say last night with the Xfinity series. That's the Coke. Yeah, that's 300 is the Yeah, I DVR'd that last night. It got rained out and delayed. I started watching this morning, but I got ready sooner than I started watching it.
The number 23, Kimble! Whoa.
Thanks for having us. Thanks for having us.
I redeemed myself from winning nothing last
For the Hulk!
For the Hulk Hogan Memorial Real American Pit Bike Race sponsored by Hulkmania. The number 33,
Robinson.
Colin Robinson.
Yay!
Yeah, Chase.
Yeah, he cheated last time. I cheated more times than I got it.
And now for first place, Hulk Hogan Memorial Pit Bike Race. Real American Pit Bike Race. Sponsored by Hulkmania. We've got number 11.
That's you, Jake.
The Red Velvet. Live!
Great job,
Easy, everybody. All right, and for everybody else, a round of applause for everybody else, especially these guys right here. Honorable mention.
Oh, race of the
Battle
day.
of the day.
Race of the day. Heck yes.
Oh, you did good too. All right.
How many trophies have that you kept?
I didn't keep a single one last year.
And for the women's class, the winner.
I got the tire throwing award last year.
Yes, he did. It's pretty impressive too. You beat a real pretty high level shot put discus guy. Dylan competed. And he needed more feet.
I
Dylan got that tire.
He had to go.
They made bring white.
Oh no.
No, yeah. As soon as I was about to
Got the camera.
Holding the beer, right?
he never sprays on when I got ahead of him.
I was watching. I only had like 4 jump, like 3 or 4 jumps. Oh, yeah,
Hey, this guy, we're gonna have you jump over here. Love it.
like the best one. I wasn't very. Like, I was good at like 3 on 3. Like quarter cut. Bye. Oh, yeah, I went the fast.
Yes. Yeah.
I think my first one was quite a bit further, but my Christmas morning is hot.
We're gonna line up for Coda.
And All right, people are dropping off the like, keep going. And I end up winning.
Get on a bus. Are we bringing the bikes?
Yeah, it was bike.
All right. I can barely ride as it is.
I want to wipe my face. I feel gross.
Dust everywhere.
Yeah, I wasn't even over here for that last race.
Go hide away from the dust.
We just we're playing on the playground stuff, so not good too. Dora, do you want me to wipe your face with a wipe to cool you off? You got dirt and sweat on your face. That's okay.
Tell you what, let's go back to the bus and do a little wipe. You want to go look in the school bus?
Do you want to go on the school bus with Billy? Okay, go with Gretchen. You can take your water. Go take your water. I'm going to break down your chair. was gonna say that bike's so short. It's even harder to ride.
I chewed up my boots because I was
Dragging your toes.
yeah. Because if I put my legs on the pegs, I couldn't turn.
Yeah. Well, if you want to do one of these events again, Andrew literally has to. You are welcome. There are 3 that are multi.
We didn't think I was gonna race today. We just were like, let's throw your gear in the truck and see what happens.
Fun to just get out there.
Yeah.
So we're like right around the grass.
I mean, if I didn't have Zora one of these times, I might.
Monterey.
Yeah. Just. Yeah. I think the last time I was on one of those bikes, though, it was at Steve's house. That's what he used to have. I don't know if you guys ever went out to it. But I vaguely remember being on it. It's pitch black. Like, I probably shouldn't be riding. That's the last thing I have. Yeah, that was the best. Oh.
That's a good shot. All right.
That's why I bring my roommate's chair.
Doesn't matter.
Just bring your roommate's chair. They don't care.
Well, I guess you should call my wife my grandmother and look at her chair. So
Yeah,
I guess it's the same.
You did. The smart way to deal with things.
Come back out with that back for this.
Yeah, is there a trash bag out here or not?
I don't know. Well, we got a pile of trash.
That's the other point.
You have a trash bag out here? Or
Oh, I did.
Can I hose off my bike real quick? I don't have a hose at home.
Can I hose off myself?
I don't own
Yeah,
grass.
actually, see that like wooden box on the back of the house? Yeah.
Hose in there?
No, that's an outdoor shower.
Oh, that's the shower.
Oh.
Yeah.
I might go dust myself. Well, wait, I gotta do it now before so I can get my car off dry.